Hi guys, some friends and I are sharing some healthy recipes. I don't know about you, but middle of the summer, kids have been home for a while and it's like, what are we gonna eat? That, and I just started a 10-day detox, and so no gluten for me. Hey Elise, how are you? Glad you're watching. And so yes, today's day one, and I wanted to set myself up for success. And one of the things I know from past detoxes or resets that I've done is I really miss bread. Like there's something about eggs and toast in the morning that's super satisfying to me. So look what I made. I made gluten-free bread yesterday. It was really simple and easy. It took me less than an hour total, because you just mix it and then proof it for 20 minutes and then bake it for another 20 minutes. So it was really great. And I loved the recipe. So I'll post it in the comments, but then I can slice it and have bread and peanut butter if I want, bread and hummus, all kinds of great things. And it really feels like a treat, even though it's doing all good things in my body. Because this recipe, you can do vegan. I did use eggs, but you can do it either way. So I hope you're having a great Monday, and like I said, I'll post the recipe in the comments, so look for it.